Yesterday there was a very bad incident in Chhattisgarh in a school.
Yes, I have. I was in the morning. Uh, some extracurricular activities. One little girl is, is dropped from the third floor of the school building.
Yeah, she fell down and she was crossing that rope. She was not willing to do it, but her mother actually forced her. Come on, beta, bachcha, fela le, beta. Le ho gaya खेल. You know, I tell you why such incident happen these days. The reason actually, these days the parents. Actually, the social media is very much responsible for that, because these days, the people, what they do, even they are, if they're having lunch, they take the selfie with this lunch, and that is posted on Facebook. Oh, today I have rice and dal. If you have rice and dal, what I have to do with it?
You have to.
What should I do? If you have eaten rice and dal and chapati, should I dance? What should I do for that? So actually, what the young boys and girls, when they get married, they have children. So what they think, that children should be like Aishwarya Rai or Salman Khan or Sachin Tendulkar. Means they are just forcing their children to be something big from the beginning. Instead of, they don't try to recognize their children's talent. Instead, they try to compel them to do what they want them to do. If a mother thinks that her daughter should be P.T. Usha, then she compels her daughter to do the activities to be P.T. Usha, but she is not interested in that activity. She has no interest, but still she is forced. So what happens? The real talent of her is suppressed. Actually, suppose she wants to be a painter, but that talent is not recognized. That talent is not recognized, and she is forced to do some other activities in which she is not interested. So that's why her mother was stupid.
No.
She was thinking, actually, the people, such type of people, they're living in fake world because of our education. Everybody is fake. If you go to your office, or you go to the market, or you go anywhere, that world, that market, that office, every place is surrounded by the or crowded by the fake people. Because they think they are God. They think they are the supreme power of the world. And you see, nothing is in their control. They themselves are controlled by that Almighty. But they think everything is in their control. Hey, you do this. Hey, you know who I am? Means they are just showing that they are the father of God. Are you getting my point? They think that they are the father of God. भगवान के भी बाप हैं जी. Everything is in their control. They think like this. They mean the whole world is fake. I don't like that world at all. Everybody is fake. One of my actually I always have very good relation with the people who are in touch with me. They may be my electrician, they may be my plumber, they may be my barber, they may be my doctor, they may be my whoever they may be. I always have a relation by heart with them. I never have relation, means I never have a professional relation. So what I mean to say, that's why I always call them and they understand what I want. Even my welder, he is doing work this time because I told you last time, sorry, that I have got a lift installed in my house. Yeah. So the work is going on, railing and all. So my welder is doing that. So what I mean to say, that whole world is fake. But you should try to be real. जो हो वही बोलो, वही देखो. Be natural. You will enjoy. And people will like you a lot. And you try to do the good for the people. When you start doing that, so that computer operator, I have very good relation with him. So yesterday I called him and he didn't come. Then I phoned him again and he told me, सर वो क्या है, थोड़ी दिक्कत आ गई थी. सर मैं आ नहीं पाया, थोड़ी दिक्कत आ गई थी. I told him or I asked him if that dikkat was bigger than your God. If that dikkat was bigger than your God, then he laughed. I asked him why he was laughing. नहीं वो दिक्कत तो बड़ी भगवान से तो बड़ी नहीं थी. मैंने कहा you know it very well, then why don't you or why aren't you connected with that? दिक्कत, what दिक्कत? Ask दिक्कत to go back. Because today I was talking to my wife, she asked me to do something. And we were talking and I told her that if I am going to have lot of money in my future, I will do that, means I will go to the hospitals and I will purchase medicines for the poor and I will arrange marriages for the poor girls. Means she told me First of all, you just clear all your loans from the bank. Then think like this.
In proper direction.
And she told me not to make castles in the air. I told her that I am connected with her. I know I will get lot of money. I know it, but not for me. I will get lot of money for doing something good for the society, for the weaker section, for the poor, not for me. I'm not going to buy Range Rover, or I'm not going to buy a very big bungalow. Of course, I need a good house. Of course, this is also very good house, but I need a big house. It should be okay. It should be a big area. I need 2-3 rooms. I don't need more, but I need open space. I need garden. I need parking. I need garden. That I need. This is my wish. But the 50%, 60% of the money I will spend for the people who really need it.
Yes.
Actually, it is sad if you have something which is more than you need, then you should give it to the people who really need it. Getting my point?
Yeah, it should be. It should be like that.
So feel you are connected with that Almighty always. If you start thinking like this, your life is changed. But I told my wife that I am connected with her. So I am his son. And she told me, everybody is son or daughter. I said, okay, yes, everybody is the daughter and son of that Almighty. But how many of them realize that they are the son or the daughter of that Almighty? The question is this. We all are the sons and daughter of Almighty. But do you realize that you are the son of? If you always have that thought in your mind that I am the son of God, I am the son of God, I am the son of God, you will do good things always. If you have that point in your mind, oh, I am the son of God. If you know that I am the son of that Almighty, I will do good for the people. You will become very simple. You will stop getting angry. You will stop thinking bad for the others. You will stop eating ulta seedha food. You will have very simple food, very light food. Even you will stop eating lot of food. You will start eating little bit of food. And then you will start eating fruit only. Then you will reach or you will be connected. When you will be connected, you will have some power from there. And when you have that power from there, you may do anything. But you will do what really is to be done. ये नहीं कि किसी को मार दोगे आप। अच्छा तुमने मुझे गाली दी थी बचपन में, ले आज मेरे पास भगवान की पावर आ गई, आज तेरे को मार देता हूँ। It is not like that. So speak like that. May speak natural things to speak or to improve your speaking. ऐसे ही बोलो आप भी कुछ भी जो दिमाग में आए, जो मन में आए। First of all, you have to be cool. Try to enjoy each and every activity of your routine. If you are going to take bath, you should enjoy. Don't think of the office while taking bath. नहा तो रहे, अरे यार वो आज वो ईमेल आया था उसका जवाब देना है क्या देना। Don't think like this. Taking bath, then take bath. Forget everything. When you are having food, have food. भूल जाओ सबको. Let them go to hell. I will have food because you are having food for your God, not for you. You are having food for your God because God is there inside you. And you want to have that food for that God. God is hungry. You have to have and enjoy. अब सुनो आप, if I give you a bunch of grapes and you are talking to me and eating, हाँ सर वो ऐसा ऐसा वैसा वैसा, you will eat 1 kg of grapes but you didn't enjoy. खा भी गए ज्यादा और enjoy भी नहीं किया. But if you take that bunch of grapes and go into the room and sit alone and take that grape, enjoy. You will eat only 4 or 5 grapes and you'll be satisfied. 5 अंगूर खाने में संतुष्टि मिल गई और 1 किलो खाने से भी पता नहीं चला कैसे थे, ठीक थे, बढ़िया थे, ओके, लेकिन स्वाद ले लेके खाया, आहा क्या अंगूर है. You have taken only 5 grapes but you enjoyed the taste of the grapes. तो cool mind से जो करोगे, do involve yourself in the activity which you are doing. It may be me, you may be taking bath, you may be eating, you may be sleeping, you may be working, you may be even passing or you may be even defecating. Defecate समझते हो आप? Defecate, टॉयलेट जाना. लैट्रिन जाना, लैट्रिन. Defecate, passing the stool. तो त्यागने में बड़ा मजा आता है, पाने में नहीं आता. त्यागने में बड़ा आनंद है. So even you may be defecating, enjoy. But what people do, उसमें भी टेंशन, यार कितने बज गए, हाँ नहाना, जल्दी ऑफिस जाना. अरे भैया ये तो सही कर ले, अपना शरीर तो सही कर ले. त्याग तो सही से कर ले. नहीं त्याग कर नहीं रहा, बस ले ले रहा है। त्याग भी तो कर, नहीं? तो त्यागने में आनंद है, लेने में आनंद इतना नहीं है जितना त्यागने में। कहीं पे भी देखो आप, तो इट मीन्स एंजॉय इट, टेक लिटिल बिट बट ट्राई टू एंजॉय। खाओ इतना सा मगर एंजॉय से खाओ। बात करते नहीं, टीवी देखते हुए नहीं, वॉचिंग टेलीविजन ईटिंग, व्हाट इज दिस नॉनसेंस? These days parents are eating themselves, watching news and eating. The children are also following them. You cannot ask your children not to watch. जब आप खुद ही देख रहे हो तो बच्चे भी देखेंगे। फिर बच्चों से कह रहे हो आप तू मत देख, तू अच्छा है, तू नहीं देख। मतलब तो बच्चा क्या सीख रहा है? बच्चा सीख रहा है गंदे काम बड़े होके कर सकते हो आप। So it means enjoy each and every activity of your routine to be happy. कूल हो जाओ जिंदगी में, नो टेंशन, मस्ती। कैसी मस्ती? You may be thinking what I am talking about. सोच रहे हो कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं, but this is the reality. The sooner you learn all these things, the better it is for you to be happy. जितना जल्दी सीख लोगे उतना अच्छा है, उतनी जल्दी आप अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाओगे, अपने घर में भी सिखाओगे। जब आप खुद ही डिस्टर्ब हो तो बच्चों को क्या बताओगे? अब खुद ही गुस्से में रहेगा। Office means you have some tiff with your boss in the office, but when you reach your home, you are out of your mood and you are just scolding your children and you are just shouting at your wife. Just think यार, उनकी क्या गलती है बेचारे? वो they are waiting for you. Children are waiting for you. The wife is waiting for you, and you start behaving like a don. You are making your house a hell. तो आप घर को नरक कहते हैं, नरक तो खुद ही बना रहे हो। And then you expect your children to behave in a good manner. How is it possible? Instructions are never followed, but actions are always followed. आप किसी को इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे ऐसा करो, but if you start doing the same thing, they will also follow you. बच्चों से कहते दूध पी, उसके पीछे भागते हो। दूध पी ले, बच्चा भागता नहीं पीऊंगा। अरे पिएगा कैसे? कभी नहीं पिएगा जिंदगी में। तुम क्या, तुम्हारे पिताजी भी नहीं पिला पाएंगे। But instead of that, you start drinking milk. You make a plan and all family members sit together at night and start drinking milk. और कांच के गिलास में लो दिखे और पियो। आहा क्या टेस्ट, वाह मजा आ गया, बड़ा मलाईदार दूध है। अब बच्चा देखेगा, उसको मत बोलो तू पी, वो अपने एक दिन नहीं बोलेगा, 2 दिन, 3 दिन, चौथे दिन आ जाएगा मैं भी पीऊंगा। और अपन क्या करते हैं, उल्टा काम। We run after them. अरे पिए कैसे नहीं, धाड़ 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 धाड़, और उसके गाल सुझा दिए। अब तो तुम कभी जिंदगी में नहीं पिला पाओगे उसको। पिलाओगे तो ऐसी डॉन बन के पिलाओगे, but you are losing your respect. All these are culture. You speak something, I am speaking only.
No, you are speaking very good thing. And actually, I want to say that I am not following that television and watching television and eating. I am also in the same lines, and I am not following that thing. But I will try to follow that at the time of dinner. I will try to not to watch the TV.
Simple rules are there in the life. जो कर रहे हो वही करो बस. And don't take unnecessary tensions. This is life. And don't repent if something doesn't happen, or if something doesn't happen as you wish. Repent मतलब पछताना. Repent. तो पछताओ मत कि यार जो सोचा वो हुआ नहीं, मत. It is God's wish. Something better will happen. नहीं हो. It makes no difference to me because I am the son of God. It makes no difference to me. I wanted to have this, but if I didn't have, no problem. I will get something better because I am the son of God. मैं तो उसी भगवान का पुत्र हूँ. मुझे नहीं मिलेगा तो किसको मिलेगा? मुझे तो मिलेगी उसकी कृपा. Like this.